Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. This video we are going to presenting about our group assignment, which is project case study for Cimb Bank. Before we dive into our presentation, let me introduce our member group. We have Adriana, Clarissa, Nuriani, Nurul Huda and Shahinda.
My name is Khairin Adriana bint Khairin Usman, and my metric is 2024434604, and I will explain about background of Cimb. Cimb was founded in 1974 as Pertanian Barisan Multinational Bank in Kuala Lumpur and renamed in 1986 after being acquired by Banks of Commerce. It expanded across Asia, launching retail banking in Singapore in 2009 and the Philippines at 2018, and acquiring bank in Indonesia and Thailand. The bank focused on sustainability with commitments to reducing carbon emission, supporting financial inclusion, and promoting responsible banking practice. Cimb also is a leader in Islamic finance, offering a range of banking service and is the fifth largest banking group in Asia. Cimb operating in 8 countries with over 33,000 employees and 26 million customers.
So the next one is activities of the units. The first one is checking and saving accounts. The saving accounts allow individuals to deposit, grow, and withdraw their money while earning interest. Banks use deposit funds to provide loans to other customers. In return, they pay interest to saving account holders. Interest rate vary based on the situation, country, and account type. For example, a regular saving accounts offer interest rate ranging from 10% to 35% per annum. Type of Cimb saving accounts is basic saving accounts and senior saving accounts. So the next one is personal loans, a type of unsecured loan designed to meet personal financial needs. Borrowers receive a fixed amount and repay it over an agreed period. For interest rate, personal loans interest rate vary depending on the lender. For example of a loan product is cash plus personal loan, easy to 9 personal loans, and other personal loan options are also available. To apply this loan, there are eligibility and interest rate that are depending the type of loan.
Hi everyone, my name is Clarissa Karmi. Today I will talk about what is regarded as information and knowledge within this unit, which is Cimb Bank, how information is retrieved from storage, and addressing system to locate actual resources. First thing first, I will talk about what is regarded as information and knowledge within Cimb Bank. Information and knowledge in this unit include customer data such as transaction history. This is because checking your account history can also help you detect any error a retailer may have made when charging you. A suspicious entry in an account history can be the earliest warning of a criminal or fraudulent attack on an account. Besides that, the types of documents Cimb deal with are also known as knowledge. For instance, Cimb Bank offers consumer banking, commercial banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and asset management products and services. Next, the process of choosing the right banking management system is also regarded as a knowledge in Cimb Bank. When it comes to the banking sector, bank employees need a single centralized knowledge base to successfully and confidently do their jobs, whether it's assisting customer with tech issues or helping them apply for a mortgage loan.
So my name is Nurul Huda binti Muhammad Cimb, and I want to present what are the formats of information received and produced by the unit. For the received information, CIMB has received physical information and digital information. For physical information, CIMB Bank has physically received much information through paper forms that obtained through an application form such as customer account opening form, loan application, or any documentation. For digital information, the information is gained by customer online submissions, reviews, and feedback, and also receive information through electronic data interchange (EDI). Document scans like customers' utility bills, income documents, and salary slips also receive an invoice via PDF or printed deposit and bill payment. So for the produced information, physical information is CIMB has produced via brochures and banners for marketing purposes. For digital information, CIMB has released information such as account statement and reports to their customer monthly in PDF, and they also send SMS and email notification to the customer to ensure that the customers alert about the existing promotion, transaction activities, and account history. They also built a web portal and mobile apps for the convenience of customers, which enables real-time display, balance, and experience. They also have post videos and images in the official social media related for promotion and marketing. So my name is Nurul Huda binti Muhammad Cimb, and I want to present what are the formats of information received and produced by the unit. For the received information, CIMB has received physical information and digital information. For physical information, CIMB Bank has physically received much information through paper forms that obtained through an application form such as customer account opening form, loan application, or any documentation. For digital information, the information is gained by customer online submissions, reviews, and feedback, and also receive information through electronic data interchange (EDI). Document scans like customers' utility bills, income documents, and salary slips also receive an invoice via PDF or printed deposit and bill payment. So for the produced information, physical information is CIMB has produced via brochures and banners for marketing purposes. For digital information, CIMB has released information such as account statement and reports to their customer monthly in PDF, and they also send SMS and email notification to the customer to ensure that the customers alert about the existing promotion, transaction activities, and account history. They also built a web portal and mobile apps for the convenience of customers, which enables real-time display, balance, and experience. They also have post videos and images in the official social media related for promotion and marketing. So next, type of information received and produced. So CIMB Bank has received customer information limited to loss and privacy notice, such as personal identification, such as customer's name, IC or passport details, and address. For the second one is customer's financial details, like salary slips, employment details, and investment, tax documents, and credit history. The third one is customer information related to the application form, such as loan, account opening, credit card application, or personal information provided in reviews or feedback or surveys. So for the produced one is the first one, customer outputs. CIMB has enhanced their financial management that clear and convenient outputs, including detailed account statement, real-time transaction alerts, and loan prepayment schedules. Customer can access electronic bill receipt and financial advisory reports through the mobile apps and online banking, that ensuring the secure, timely, and accurate information delivery. For the second one is internal reports that have been produced every year to review the latest reports and presentation, such as financial statements, operational data, such as employee performance, project activity, that is called the annual report. So, how information is stored, physical and digital. The information is IMB banks secured at the file rooms or archive that exist at branch offices or centralized data centers. The information like paper form, like customer's application form, loan agreement, and documents that has been stored in these file rooms. This physical storage must be controlled with high quality surveillance like restricted place and access, security camera, and fireproof storage. For digital storage, information is being stored using cloud-based storage. Hybrid cloud storage was used for the information that was not too sensitive. They also stored the information digitally via encrypted database and digital archive for any confidential information such as customers' personal data, financial transactions, and reports. Digital archive also were used to store scanned information.
From the Cimb use relational or NoSQL databases to store vast amounts of customer transactional data and financial data. The process of retrieving information typically begins with querying these databases. This type of data that banks need to go backup include transaction data, customer information, security logs, system configuration files, application system data, certificates and key, electronic document, image, and other data. According to regulatory requirements, backup data needs to be stored off-site. Therefore, the banking industry stores data backup in a secure location far away from the production server room to avoid data loss due to local disaster. Moreover, Cimb, like other banks, likely use middleware and application programming interface APIs to allow different systems within the bank to communicate. When information needs to be retrieved, like retrieving transaction history or loan status, middleware will coordinate these requests. RESTful APIs are commonly used for this purpose. They allow systems within the bank or third-party applications like mobile apps to retrieve information stored in the backend system.
Okay, how information is disseminated intra and intra units. For intra units within units, email communication is used for formal updates and announcement. For digital platforms, tools like Microsoft Teams facilitate easy collaboration among team members. Internal dashboard provide real-time updates on project and performance, ensuring employees are aligned with unit's goal. The next one is inter-unit, between units. API for data sharing. Enable instance sharing of data between departments. Joint project meeting is bring together people from different units to discuss shared objective. And the last one is report sharing. Key updates and progress report are shared across department to keep everyone informed about important development.
How information is preserved for short and long-term retention. STM, short-term memory, temporarily holds information for immediate tasks with limited capacity and duration, while long-term memory stores information for a long time with nearly unlimited capacity. In Cimb, short-term data is stored using systems like Oracle or SQL for daily backup, while long-term data is kept using warm storage. Warm write once, read many is a method that ensures data is preserved securely for a long time, with low energy use and a long retention period, making it ideal for the banking industry. Standard or convention are adopted and observed for managing information. Information security is central to CIMB risk management and fraud prevention strategies. The bank strengthens cybersecurity through its enterprise-wide risk management framework, guided by industry standards like NIST and ISO IEC 27001. CIMB use encryption, authentication, firewalls, and account locking mechanism to protect customer data with continuous monitoring and regular updates. The bank follows best practice and is part of key platforms like FINTIP and FSISAC. CIMB ensure the privacy and integrity of transactions and quickly address security issues in collaboration with experts. CIMB Indonesia specifically follow ISO IEC 27001 at 2013 for information security management.
Who is involved in managing information? First one is data management and analysis team. One important focus is customer insight, where data analytics is used to understand customer preference and behaviors. By analyzing transaction history, this team can identify trends such as spending habits or product usage to recommend tailored financial products like credit card promotion or investment opportunities that meet individual needs. Another key area is risk analysis, where data is used to detect potential risks and prevent issues like fraud. By identifying unusual patterns in customer behavior, the bank can quickly respond to possible fraudulent activities. The second one is cybersecurity. The cybersecurity teams play a vital role in protecting a bank's online system and customer data. One of the main responsibilities is securing online banking platform to ensure transactions remain confidential and safe. They use advanced encryption technology to safeguard data transmitted between user and the bank, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. Another key focus is threat monitoring, where the team continuously monitors systems for suspicious activity. For example, they look out for unusual in patterns such as repeated attempts from different locations, which could indicate potential breaches. What facilities are available for managing information? The first one is a CRM system, Advanced Customer Relationship Management. For data management, it's used Oracle Data Integrator to extract, load, and transform data from various sources into a centralized system. It's combines all customer information into one platform for better management. The next one is advanced security features. It's use security AC, transaction authentication codes, a one-tap approval system through the CIMB Clips apps. It requires customer authentication before transactions are processed. It helps reduce the risk of fraudulent activities.
Hello, Madam B. My name is Nurul Shahinda binti Hussein, matric number 2024234528. So here I will mention three types of problem faced in CIMB Bank with respect in managing their information. So the first one is ransomware. This is the most severe cybersecurity threats faced by the bank. This attack involves offenders gaining unauthorized access to a system, encrypting data, and effectively blocking it from the system owner. So this affects CIMB's banking operations, lead to financial loss, and tarnish its reputation. The customers will lose their trust in the bank's ability to safeguard their data. The second one is phishing schemes. So the attackers impersonate bank officials and trick users to give their banking details or credit card numbers. These schemes led to unauthorized access to bank accounts and identity theft. And lastly is data breaches. So this may result from human error, system vulnerabilities, or malicious attacks from third parties. So it is costly for banks in terms of financial penalties and loss of customer trust. So to prevent this from happening, Cimb implements strict security measures, for example, data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring to minimize and detect any problems.
Lastly is addressing system to locate actual resources. In the context of CIMB, an addressing system is often used to manage and locate resources such as data, application, and infrastructure components within their system. One of the addressing system that is often used is IP addressing or core network resources. This addressing system is for internal system or services which is CIMB would use IP addresses or subnets to manage network resources. This helps in locating specific servers, application or databases within the network. CIMB also use database addressing, which is internal system like Oracle, SQL or NoSQL databases, where each data point or resource is located using. Besides that, cloud resource addressing is frequently used by CIMB Bank because it would be addressed using cloud-specific URLs or IP addresses. These resources could be distributed globally and identified via regions, zones, and resource identifiers. Example of cloud platform that are AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure.
Hello again. So the next one is metadata creation. Metadata creation involves organizing and categorizing the data to make it more accessible, understandable, and usable for certain purposes. So the first process is transaction data collection from various sources, which is from ATM machines, online banking terminals, and through bank officials. So for examples of the data that CIMB collects is the amount of transaction, time of transaction, and details of the account holder. Next, the CIMB bank will perform metadata selection. They will identify the best data sources given, for example, the purpose of the transaction, user's ID, and amount. This ensures that metadata provides meaningful insights and supports operation. The benefits of metadata creation is it will improve data quality of CIMB and reduce errors. Next is create better integration between systems and enhance customer service and decision making.